your taste buds bored?
If your mouth is bored, take it to Popeyes.
Love that chicken from Popeyes.
Your mouth jumps, your taste buds come alive.
It just pops and tingles.
That New Orleans spice tastes so nice.
Juicy.
Oh, wow.
Crispy.
Love that chicken from Popeyes.
There's a party going on in there.
Wow.
Terrific.
Terrific.
Wow.
Love that chicken from Popeyes.
It makes your mouth feel happy.
Now in Toronto,